How to minimize YouTube on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device, and in here, tap on the general option you see there. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for picture-in-picture. Tap on the picture-in-picture option you see there and make sure the toggle button for Start PIP automatically is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable the toggle button for Start PIP automatically. Now, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and then tap on the U option at the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for playback under video and audio preferences. Tap on it and here you will see the option for picture-in-picture. Go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for picture-in-picture, and with this, every time you play a video on YouTube and then minimize your YouTube application, YouTube video will be played in the background. So this was about how you can minimize YouTube on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.